That looks like a freaking big wave.
I'm going to get it on video. It's like, it's freaky.
Look at the stripes coming down from it. I think it's a tornado. Look. I think we're gonna get downpoured, guys. I really think a tornado is forming. So what's the horses doing?
T's over there, Holly's standing under the tree.
Look at him looking.
Horses will, like, you know, they know.
T, is there a tornado coming?
Like, they'll go and turn their backs and go.
We can go back to Ed's. Maybe his cows are laying in a circle. You know how cows lay in a circle if there's a tornado?
That's not good at all.
Should we be worried right now?
I'm worried. Like, my heart is pounding.
Ooh, did you see the lightning?
No.
It was right there. Holy shit.
Steph, go check the Weather Channel.
I just did. There's nothing on it.
Look at that.
This is cool.
No, it's not cool.
No, I think it's kind of cool. It's gonna like form like right over our house.
That's,
Oh, there goes our cloud. A little wind. I'm gonna get struck by lightning.
see how they're standing that way, them horses? Like they said, them cows and stuff.
Cows lay in circles whenever there's a tornado.
Can I take a trip back to
At that time there was a tornado warning. Like in the morning we drove out and there was a cow literally laying in a circle. Oh, I think our cloud's gone.
Good.